Hi, I'm Richard Knight and this is how you do an audition video for VETA. Okay, let's do it. You will need a smartphone, a tripod and a smartphone adapter. Connect and screw in the smartphone adapter to the tripod. Now attach the phone. If there is no one there to film you, switch your smartphone camera to front-facing camera. If you don't have a tripod, use some books to balance your phone. Eliminate any possible distractions. We just want to see you. Make sure you film in front of a blank background. We don't want to see a busy one, as it's very distracting. Make sure the room isn't too dark. You can film in front of a window, or you can use a lamp. Make sure when you're filming, there isn't any distracting background noises. Make sure you're not wearing something which has writing on it. This pattern is too distracting. Black is too dark. You can disappear into the background. Ah, perfect. Set up your camera so it's at eye level. Make sure the camera isn't looking down, or it's looking up, or we just see your head. Set the camera at eye level with the light in front of your face, just off center. Make sure you set your camera for horizontal framing and not vertical. You want to do a medium close-up shot. That means we see the top of your head and the frame cuts at the bottom across your chest. When you're giving your monologue, don't look directly into the lens. Look just past it, either on the left or the right. Make sure you don't make too many big movements. Big movements are very distracting. After giving your monologue, check your phone and play back the video. See if everything is okay. And then do another take. Do no more than 10 takes, and then pick the best one. If the video file is no bigger than 20 megabytes, you can email it to us. If it is bigger, you can send it to us via WeTransfer. That's a free website. Or you could upload it to a YouTube link, and you could send us the link. That's it, you're done. Send off the video and we look forward to seeing your audition.